Today we're going to learn how to cast on. You need to grab your yarn and your 2 knitting needles to begin. The first step is to take the tail end of your yarn and make a slip knot. So you've got a loop at the top there. I'll show you that one more time. With the tail end, making a slip knot. Now you'll need to grab a needle in your left hand, and we're going to put that loop on there. Adjust it so it's a little bit closer to the needle. We still want to have it so you can slide it back and forth though. I like to hold my yarn, the tail end of my yarn, as I'm holding on to my left needle. So just grab that small tail there and hold it so you know you're working with this yarn from the ball. The next step is to grab a needle in your right hand and we'll start casting on our first stitch. With the right needle, we're going to go through that loop, under, and so our needles are crossed. Once again, you're going through the loop, underneath, so your needles are crossed. Now, with the yarn from the ball, you're going behind and then in between the 2 needles. I'll show you that again. So that yarn is going behind your right needle and in between the 2. Your right needle then drops down and you've got a loop there, and now that loop goes back on your left needle and you've just cast on your first stitch. Let's try again. So find the space in between and your right needle goes through and underneath. Then with the yarn from the ball, we're going behind your right needle and through the middle. Drop your needle back down, make a loop, and then it goes back on your left needle. Now we've got 3 stitches cast on. Once again. If you notice that your stitches are getting too close to the end, you can move them down a little bit. Now you can see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches cast on. You continue that pattern until you have your desired number of stitches. Thanks for watching. See you next time.